Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Elecktra T1 espresso machine. This machine had some major electrical problems. It needed a new heating element and it also needed a new power board. And so let's go ahead and test the machine. So we have a nice flow of espresso. The left side looks like I'm guessing the tamping was a little uneven, so that's why the left side started later. But making a great shot of coffee, good crema. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Oh, and just so you know, this little dripping noise is not a problem with the machine. It's just the drain is not hooked up to anything, and it's going into this little drip tray there. So thank you for pairing.